Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 965. To begin, press and hold the top left button for 2 seconds to power on your device. Navigate menus by swiping the vibrant AMOLED touchscreen or using the 5 physical buttons. Customize your watch face by holding the middle left button, then selecting watch face to personalize data fields like heart rate or pace. This foundational understanding will help you quickly get acquainted with your new watch. Tracking your activities is straightforward. From the watch face, press the top right button to access the activity list. Select your desired activity, like run, and wait for GPS to acquire a signal, typically within 30 seconds. Press the top right button again to start your activity. Once finished, press the top right button, then stop and save. You can then review key metrics such as distance, pace, and elevation directly on your watch or in the Garmin Connect app. The Forerunner 965 offers powerful advanced training metrics to optimize your performance. Access your training status, load, and readiness scores from the glance menu to understand your body's recovery and potential. Utilize daily suggested workouts tailored to your fitness level and upcoming events. Monitor crucial health data like heart rate variability, sleep scores, and stress levels throughout the day, providing a comprehensive view of your well-being and helping prevent overtraining. Connecting your Forerunner 965 to the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone unlocks its full potential. This allows for seamless data synchronization, detailed activity analysis, and personalized insights. Explore the Connect IQ store directly from the app to download thousands of free watch faces, data fields, and applications, expanding your watch's functionality. Manage smart notifications, control music playback, and even set up safety features, keeping you connected and informed during your daily adventures and workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.